There are days I am quite sure I have somehow fooled everyone. They think I am capable, kind, useful. But I feel like a small bear in a very large coat, pretending it fits. On those days, it helps to imagine a friend saying these things about themselves. I know I would tell them they're being unfair, that I see their heart, their effort, their goodness, even when they feel like a fraud. The compassion I offer them is the same compassion I keep refusing to offer myself. Maybe the truth is not that I've fooled everyone, but that I haven't yet learned to see myself